Okay, we are ready to assemble the eclairs and cream puffs. So, we have our Bavarian cream filling here, nice and chilled down, relatively firm, not quite. We have some ganache. I had a little bit left over from when I did the chocolate cake, so I simply reheated it over a double boiler. So it's simply a pot with a little bit of water in it that I put on the stove and kind of heated it up so that it melted the ganache. And so now the ganache is a nice, soft, warm liquid, which is what I want it to be. And I have these cooled down eclairs and cream puffs. So I'm going to start by taking a pastry bag. I have a round tip right here. I want it relatively large, but not too large. I don't want to make a big giant hole in my pastries, okay? So I'm going to fold it down. I'm going to put my Bavarian cream into the pastry bag. I'm going to set that aside. All right. Now I have Bavarian cream inside my pastry bag. Squeeze my hair out, give it a little twist. All right, I have a sharp little paring knife. What I'm going to do is on each eclair, I'm going to make a little hole at the end. Think of like a little plus sign at the end of each end, okay? And what that's going to do is allow me a place where I can pipe my pastry cream, Bavarian cream. So I'm going to do that for each one of my eclairs. On my cream puffs, I'm going to go right in the bottom and do the same thing. A little plus sign right in the bottom. Okay? And once that's done, I can take my Bavarian cream. I'm going to go right into the hole and you kind of pipe it, give it pressure, and there you go. And do the same for all of these. Once you have all your cream puffs and eclairs filled, like so, what you can do is you can take your eclair and dip it upside down into the ganache. And set it to dry. You can do the same with your cream puffs. Dip it into the ganache. Let it drip. And then set it to dry. Okay, so as you can see, all the cream puffs and eclairs are finished. We're gonna let the ganache sit and cool, and when it does, it's gonna firm up just a little bit, so it's not quite so liquidy, and we can enjoy our cream puffs and eclairs.